Let's see what's in my fridge at this time. Need to eat. Great, I have one more egg. Yes. Freezer is empty. Right. Oh, two slices of bread. Yes. Okay, this will help. And butter. Oh yes, great. Butter and okay, evaporated milk. All right, so I think I know what to do. What else here? It's really need to be replenished. All right. Okay, so need to do something. Preparations done, and these are the things that will be needed to do the French toast. 1 egg. I'm gonna beat it later. I had added a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. I have the butter, of course the pepper and the salt, the sliced bread, and evaporated milk. Good to go, cooking time. So beat the egg. Once the egg is beaten, you can add now the milk. I don't take any measurements anymore, so I just estimated it. And then beat the egg again with the milk for them to blend. So heat the pan. Put the butter, have it melted. Now breakfast is ready, so I'm gonna eat it with cheese, or I can also top it with peanut butter, or whatever you like. You can top anything else, anything that you wish. And of course my tea to go with the bread. So have breakfast with me.